Yeah.
Whoa, shit!
G'day everyone, my name is David Mine. Welcome back to First Time Reefer TV, and today we are moving this beast through that tiny little door. Just with you. I've taken the front door off the house. I've got a little army here to get this. Luckily Billy's got a trolley because this is bloody heavy. So we're gonna get this through the front door of the house, through the house, out the backyard, and into the fish room, yes! So Billy, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna get this stand onto the front?
Originally we were gonna split this frame in half, have two frames so we can actually realistically move it through the actual door itself, but to save on cost and obviously material, we decided to go with one big frame. The only way we could do this is actually to go through the front door and without...
And it's heavy.
It is very heavy, so we're just trying to reduce the likelihood of damage anything inside the house, so we need everyone on each corner, trolleys to help maneuver the frame around, and just try to carefully get it through.
Alright, how are we gonna do this?
Alright, so I'll get two guys here. I'm injured, so I cannot physically lift.
We're all injured.
Aston, out of the way.
Everyone's injured apparently, so all I want to do is basically David,
We're gonna lift up one end.
no, lift up one end, remove that plate from it, and I'm just gonna move this in the middle, okay?
So we'll lift it up.
And remove that
Chris, you
plate.
get that plank out of the way.
Chris, get that plank out. Yep. And this should just be, alright, go down. Yep. Yeah. Okay. This would allow us just to maneuver it around.
Oh man, this is way easier.
I can't believe you didn't think of trolleys, man.
Man, I was just gonna like keep
Oh,
on.
Aston,
Aston, out of the way. Marine, I'll get you to grab the camera and follow us if you can.
Sure can.
You can flip that over to yourself, so you don't need to look at us. Hey?
You know,
Said it was on his way.
Hey Mom, this is like a bus stand.
It's like a bus, pretty much.
alright, so just be
We
careful.
don't want to get into the grates, do we?
It's fine. It's fine. It's got the rubber on the top. So.
Are we gonna go that end first, or?
Well, I don't know. Because I didn't even take this out.
We're gonna go this way, because then
Yeah.
just run out a bit of space. We've got the kink in over here, so Aston, out of the way, mate.
So you don't. It's gonna scratch a little bit, yeah. You don't mind. We can touch it up.
Mind if it's scratched it? Why don't we think it's gonna scratch? Like, what do you need to do?
It's gonna rest on certain areas.
Okay, so can we just put like cardboard down, or?
Well, first of all,
I thought we were just gonna like stand two guys on each end and just like walk through the house.
well, that would help.
I don't need to.
So, but what we'd do though, so we.
But you've got someone that can stand in the middle.
No. So
Can I hold
when
the
you guys
camera?
lift up,
No, I think
it's
we should
actually
hold it up
ridiculous
here.
before guys lift up.
Okay.
When you guys lift this up,
But
I grab
I
this
wanna
trolley,
hold the
I go inside,
camera.
you
Then
guys
we just lift it through and we
and
put
you
it
lift and
down.
put it back down, and then we roll it. So like I said, we're trying to minimize the amount of work required.
So should we wait for Dean to get?
We should wait for Dean. Time out.
Worst case, if it's not, you guys can just
Is
put
it-
it back
is it
down.
splashing
We'll
red
do
yet?
it again.
Yeah, if I hold this.
Okay, let's
Even if you go in the
stop
middle
lifting like
there,
that. All right,
Careful your step here, just behind you.
all right.
Step.
Okay.
You stay there.
Who's
Stay
guiding?
there.
Guiding through.
Gotta go. We got 5 mil clearance.
Okay, it will hit on the.
Come
It's
on,
on the.
That's fine.
All right.
Well done, Luke. Good measuring, Luke.
All right, don't turn yet. Only
Okay,
turn when
come
David-
into our house.
All right, you can
I
turn
need
around
to.
now.
Now.
Come on, off it.
All right, please come this way.
No,
wanna
you
rest
have
on
to stay
the-
here because if they drop it on you, it's going to hurt you, babe.
I think we should.
Okay, guys, you have to stay here and do
We gotta get in
it.
first.
Yep. Do you want to rest on the
That
toilet?
sounded like something hit something.
No trolley move.
David, put the keys
Come in with us, Marina.
That's another way.
Me too, and me too.
All right, head out. Watch the
I
door.
reckon-
Watch
I
the doors,
reckon-
man.
Billy, bring the trolley into the fish room so we can put it down on the.
Aston, you be very careful.
Down there.
Is the fish room door open?
Watch your step, Natalie.
You guys should rest. Yeah.
Aston!
Aston, step back, step back.
All right, let's rest it here, guys. You've done enough. Rest it here on the center. Yep, down. 4. 4 done.
Woo!
Project manager, Billy.
Well done. Yeah, it wasn't actually that heavy. It wasn't too bad because we have the tally.
We did it up
I think David and Tyler's doing it. You went really struggling, Chris.
That wasn't too bad.
Couldn't have
All
done
right.
that to Chris.
Let's wheel it in. Did you have this carpet last time?
That way.
Oh, the carpet
That way. Keep going.
I bet you, we put it in there.
Carry through.
Dean's walking down the driveway.
Tell him to fucking go. Tell him to go home.
Alright, let's go. So this stand here's got adjustable legs. The whole idea behind adjustable legs is so we can level the stand out. It is a 4-foot width, so it is pretty, it is a fair span.
Until
So.
you reach the black area.
Yeah, so this stand's been built by Luke Studd. So if you guys are looking for a legit steel stand, hit up my man Luke and get him to quote you out.
Yeah.
Because this thing is a beast. Thanks, buddy. You want to tell people about the stand to the camera?
Yeah.
Tell them.
So we're just getting this.
No, you got to talk to the camera.
We're just getting this tank into that room first. Then the natural braces fit properly. So
Yeah, and what colour is it?
black.
And what's it made out of?
I don't know.
Steel.
Huh?
Steel.
Plywood.
Steel.
Plywood.
And made of like braces cross string. And then they're gonna go around here.
Okay.
So we're just going to lift it up the same way?
Lift up the same
Or
way.
straight
but
through
thing
it?
is,
You're going to be right with that
because
step going backwards?
we'll lift it the same way, but we'll rest it on the
Yeah,
trolley.
just
because
you've got to make sure
so
Vitalik's going to be careful of that step because that's a decent step to get up.
So we'll put it back on the trolley so you don't jam your hands.
Jam hands. That's so funny. I was just getting that video done.
Which way are you not to go?
Hey, you can send an email to Daddy's friends and then you can
So we'll
send
go on
it
the
to
trolley
them.
first,
Oh!
get it in there, get it on the trolley,
So,
and then spin it around.
Yeah, then
Okay, yeah.
Spin it in there.
spin it around.
alright.
Right, Chris, you're jumping in there.
And then now they're going to lift it up so you need to move a little. See? Oh, just sorry.
Alright, Tyler, what's your step?
Now they're going to. I'm making it.
Right, you know what? You got it.
Spin around, spin
no,
around.
just
Spin
spin
around,
around.
probably spin.
Alright.
Okay. Come on.
Alright, down in the center again.
Come on in the Daddy's fish.
Yeah.
You need to come on
It's
the
like a
Daddy's
deadlift,
fish.
Okay, so we're going down that way.
Some chemicals so you can come in.
I need to get on camera.
Oh, that's all.
Okay.
And then we roll it over, we'll roll it to you, Chris.
They're not
Yeah.
rushing in.
And you just catch that end, mate.
Okay.
Aston, I need
The
you
best
to go
way-
outside
actually,
now.
The best way is actually to remove it from the.
So we
just
need-
lift up enough so I can
Alright,
remove
just
the trolley.
get off the trolley.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Down. Yep. And now with the legs, it will just we can just sort of get 2 on this side. But tell it that on this side.
Okay, guys.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
And now 4 of us lift it and we'll bring it back.
Three,
Yeah.
guys.
1, 2, 3. Lift it.
Wow.
And then down.
Wow, Daddy, this is like all of your friends, Dad.
Oh wow. That's like a glove.
Dad, this is
Is that
so
drain?
you could do that
Full
with
drain.
all of your friends, Dad.
Look at the sump on this side, plumbing going down there, other tank here,
This is pretty sick.
another 4 power points going on that side. There's a sump. Sump's inside. Get it in.
We did it!
So we just carry the sump through now?
You got a sump in?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, might as well.
I'll just chuck it in the room here.
Right, then you
Dad,
need to
can I carry the sun,
So I don't know if the sump's going to go through here. What's
Dad,
up?
Can I have the sun as well, Dad?
Yeah.
Dad, where's
We'll bring the
sun?
crates in and then I'll just unpack it.
Hey, Dad, what's the sun?
We'll just put it in the room.
Dad,
Ugh,
wow!
look at that. Oh shit.
We're all gonna
Good
come
job.
up with a bit of a curve on your thumb.
Things a unit.
I guess it is.
So, Dan, now we have to
So I think we're going to take the front panel off.
yeah, we have to actually.
Yeah?
Oh, that's a massive sump.
That's a beast, man.
How big is the tank?
I guess
Tank's
we
8x4.
all have to move it.
Yeah. No, it's just the front part. One. Okay, help us when you lift. Yep. And rest it on the ledge. Yep, that's it. Okay, that's it. So you go.
Oh, we can probably get it over onto its side though.
No, I reckon go through there.
Go through there. But
Yeah.
we have to get on Twitch. Oh no,
So,
we'll
no,
go
we'll
that
go through
way.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, so just 2 guys and this is fine. One. Oh wait, get the trolley. Where's the trolley? We're gonna rest it on the trolley first, move the tank around, and then we put it in.
It's fun already.
So Chris, how you doing?
Good,
dude. Welcome to our first time Reefer TV.
Yeah, hello.
My name is Billy from Starfire Aquatics. Free plug. So Vitaly, how much is David Mike paying you for this tremendous amount of work and effort?
Alright, let's make sure we can straighten up to get through. Put rolls on here.
Port rolls.
Put rolls.
I hope it's a lifetime of port rolls. Alright, make sure you scratch
Ready to
every
jump
side.
over this way?
Okay, everyone.
It's alright. We're good. Whoa, shit! Nah, I'm good.
Fucking you mother.
No.
Get the trolley and put it out here.
Okay.
Okay.
You want it on it?
Long ways, long ways. Yep. Yeah. Bend your knees, boom, that's it. Sweet. Now let's move the tank. 4 guys in each
The
corner.
sump's going to have to go here anyway. So I'm going to do a water test on it first.
Oh, really?
I found something in my stomach.
Okay, I've got to go over here, okay?
What did I tell you guys?
You haven't got any phone?
I got the wood.
No, just check on this.
Get the wood.
Leave it with me.
Don't fill
Thank
up
you.
with these planks here, Dave.
No, I'll get it off.
Dad.
Can I have it, please? Okay, take it to Dad.
Alright, we're good, Buster. We'll just bring it in. 1, 2, 3.
Careful, Aston.
How do we go? Oh, okay, I'll go. Hmahli.
Let's get a little check
What up?
out that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's very cool.
It's a beast, man.
Looks great.
First time TV. First time Reefer TV.
We need some for the
Yeah, man, this needs to be.
What are you doing?
I'm sussing out this amazingly built sump.
So we've got the stand in the fish room. The stand is built by Luke Stud, 65 by 65, 3mm wall steel, all obviously one piece,
Powder coated in black.
powder coated black with
Adjustable
the
fins.
little bolt adjustments underneath, and then we've got the Hmahli.
And
I think it's a 1750 long sump with a manifold built into a dual roller mat, media basket, heater chamber, everything you can possibly have in a sump. I've literally got in this, and this is designed to run 2 tanks. So we're in the fish room, guys! Woo!
Yeah.
So I'm going to turn around. Thank you to the guys that helped me. We've got Marina there, camera girl who's just run away. We've got Chris. Thank you very much, Chris. We got Dean. Thank you so much for your help, Dean. I said, I betcha. As soon as we finish this, as soon as we finish this, Dean's gonna rock up. And then now we got Mr. Billy Holiday. Everyone knows Billy Holiday. Tell us a little bit about what you've been doing.
No, I don't want to. I'm not doing much. I just got married. I'm just trying to relax now. That's about it.
Okay. What was it you were saying before? No, you don't want to say.
No.
And then we've got
Married
Vitaly.
life
Thank
is
you so
great.
much,
Sorry,
Vitaly.
David.
If anyone needs some natural seawater, hit up this man on Facebook. He'll drop it out to you, even if you're not in Melbourne. So, thanks so much, guys. The fishery is nearly here. So we got the sump in there, stands in there. Tank's gonna come in about a week. So I reckon we'll rendezvous in about a week.
I'm not going to be here.
Maybe. I've got to pump the sump anyway. But
Me and
my
my
friends,
fellow
thank you for
beautiful.
tuning to this. Leave a comment, like, subscribe down below. My friends, till next time, peace.